Good morning, students. We have discussed Euclid's division lemma and many points related to that, but still there are remaining many points that will be discussed later. But now let's move on, and today we have to discuss your fundamental theorem of arithmetic. I have given you some numbers to factorize as their primes. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic states that any composite number can be expressed as the factors of primes. Composite number can be expressed as the factors of primes. Students, we are having 2 points, composite and primes. Composite numbers are the numbers which are having more than 2 factors. Like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. These are the numbers which are having more than 2 factors. Like if we consider about the factors of 4, then it will have 1, 2 and 4 as factors. More than 2, 1, 2, 3 factors. Similarly, if we consider 6, then it will have 1, 2, 3 and 6, 4 factors. If we consider 8, then it will have 1, 2, 4, 8, 4 factors. Again, if we consider 9, then 1, 3, 9. Now, if we think about the prime numbers, if we consider prime numbers, then these are the numbers which are having only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Examples of prime numbers. First, 2. Do remember, 1 is neither prime nor composite because it is having only one factor, 1. Okay. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. 2 is having only 2 factors, 1 and 2. Similarly, 1, 3, 1, 5. 1 is the factor of all the numbers, and prime numbers are having 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 3, 1 and 5, 1 and 7 and so on. According to fundamental theorem of arithmetic, any composite number can be expressed as the factors of primes. Okay. If we take an example like 12 can be expressed as the factors of primes 2 into 2 into 3. There are 3 prime numbers whose product is 12. 2, 2 and 3. One prime number is being repeated. Similarly, if we consider 42, 2 into 3 into 7. If we consider 56, 7.